Python question 3. Write a recursive function which takes an integer argument and returns the sum of its digits. For example, if sum of digits is called with the integer 1124, it will return the number 8 because the 4 digits 1124 when added up together equals 8. We define the sum of digits function as follows, with num as the parameter, which is an integer. If num is less than 10, we just return num. Otherwise, we get the last digit on the right of num. We do this by using the modulo operator. Here, it will give us the remainder when dividing by 10. Note that after the plus operator, there's a backslash. This backslash has no effect on the calculation. It simply is telling Python that the sum of digits call should be treated as if it's on the same line as the plus operator. We add this to the recursive call of sum of digits. The argument passed into the sum of digits is num with the last digit removed. We remove the last digit on the right by doing integer division by dividing by 10. For example, if sum of digits is called with the num 1124, the right hand digit 4 is stripped off and added to sum of digits recursively called with 112. That's num with the right hand digit stripped off. So for example, when sum of digits is called with 1124, the right hand digit 4 is stripped off and added to the recursive call of sum of digits with 112 passed in as the argument. When sum of digits 112 is called, the digit 2 is stripped off and is added to the sum of digits recursively called with 11. When sum of digits is called with 11, 1 is stripped off and sum of digits is then recursively called with 1. When sum of digits is called with 1 is immediately returned, returning the result 8 when all the integers are added up.